My name is Soheila Rostami. I'm an Oculofacial Plastic Surgeon and the founder of Sanctuary Cosmetic Center. I already discussed with all of you the products that are considered biostimulators and volumizers, and Sculptra, Radiesse, and Renuva are among the products available in the market in the US. Outside US, there are other biostimulator products, but none of them are available in the US. So our main focus are these biostimulators, and they can be used off the face. You can do liquid BBL, which is the Brazilian butt lift. You can use it in any part of the body that you have volume deficiency. So if you have had a lesion removed from one part of the body and cause an indentation in the area, we can use these products as biostimulators and create a more smoother, nicer area of that part of your body. So remember, it's not age specific, gender specific, or race specific. They can be used for any patient at any age for whatever skin type, and it would improve and help with the defect or a deformity in that area, any part of the body. We do use it for the face, for volumizing the face, but that doesn't mean that we cannot use it any other part of the body. The individual who's doing the injection should be very experienced by using these products. So make sure that the person that you go to, they have enough experience, because these are not something that you can dissolve or redo. Hyaluronic acid based products have hyaluronidase that dissolve these products. There is a chemical that may use to dissolve the Radiesse, but even that does not work that perfectly. And there is no products that can dissolve Renuva or a Sculptra. So these products should be in the hand of a very experienced individual, and they have to be done very conservatively. And it can be done on multiple sessions. With a Sculptra, the way I do it, and each person has their own way of doing it. I've been doing a Sculptra for past 15 years. I was one of the first in the area to use a Sculptra, as well as Radiesse, by the way. I have been with Radiesse. This is one of my favorite products for many, many years. So I know these products pretty well. And the way I use the Sculptra, I use maybe 4 vials, if even as low as 2 vials for patient's face. Or, if there is an area that I want to use for butt lift, we usually use about 10 on each side, total of 20. And we use massages to stimulate the area even better by radio frequency techniques to massage the area. So we have the patient come back and get that massage. And then we wait for 2 months to allow the body to produce the collagen and elastin and tissues that needed by these products, and then assess again. And if you need more, I usually tell you, you may need 2 or 3 or 1 vial more. There is a maintenance. We don't want you to go back to zero. So there is a maintenance with these products that we recommend to you to do, so then you never go back to the original defect or original volume loss in the face or the body. So for that, maintenance is important to do and continue doing. We age no matter what, and that also is important to consider. So it's so important to make sure to follow the advice of the individual that is doing the injections for you. So I hope these were helpful for you. Thank you.